Have you ever gazed at the vast ocean and wondered, could humans ever call this home? The ocean, a world teeming with life and cloaked in mystery, has long captivated the human imagination. Beneath its shimmering surface lies a realm of untapped resources and potential. Today we venture into a thought experiment. What if humans could live underwater? As we delve into this hypothetical scenario, let's envision the adaptations we would need to survive. Imagine for a moment the possibility of an underwater society. What adaptations would we need to survive? To survive underwater, humans would require significant biological adaptations. Starting with the basics, we'd need a way to extract oxygen from water, much like fish do. Enter the concept of gills. Perhaps a set of highly efficient, surgically implanted gills might do the trick. But that's not all. Our vision, designed for air, would have to evolve to accommodate the denser medium of water. Imagine a built-in pair of goggles, or perhaps our eyes could develop a protective layer similar to that of aquatic creatures to help us see clearly underwater. Let's not forget the pressure. Living underwater means dealing with the immense pressure that increases with depth. Our bodies would need to toughen up, developing reinforced structures to withstand this new environment. Additionally, to combat the cold, an insulating layer might form under our skin. While these adaptations are purely hypothetical, they open up a fascinating discussion about the resilience and adaptability of human life. Assuming we've adapted to live underwater, our next challenge would be building our new homes. Just like on land, the architecture of our underwater cities would require careful planning and design. However, the unique environment beneath the waves presents its own set of challenges and opportunities. Our homes would need to withstand the pressure of tons of water above them, and resist the corrosive effects of salt water. These considerations might lead us to materials like titanium and specialized alloys, which are both durable and resistant to corrosion. Reinforced glass domes could offer panoramic views of the underwater world, while simultaneously providing structural integrity. The design of our underwater cities would need to consider the flow of water currents, the migration of marine life, and the changing ocean conditions. We can imagine cities shaped like bubbles or pods, nestled into underwater cliffs or floating in the open ocean, anchored to the seabed. Energy would be another significant consideration. Sustainable sources such as underwater turbines harnessing the power of the ocean currents, or microbial fuel cells that generate electricity from the seafloor's organic matter, could be our mainstay. The architecture of our underwater world would not just be about surviving, but thriving. It would blend cutting-edge technology with a deep respect for the marine environment. We'd create a sustainable, harmonious coexistence with the ocean, shaping our structures to fit the sea, rather than forcing the sea to fit us. The architecture of our underwater cities would blend cutting-edge technology with a deep respect for the marine environment. Beyond survival and infrastructure, how would living underwater shape our society and culture? Imagine a world where communication isn't bound by language, but by sonar waves and light signals. A world where traditional cars are replaced by personal submarines and public underwater trains. Recreational activities would take a splash as well, with aqua sports becoming a daily norm and underwater exploration an exciting pastime. Schooling would be a whole new wave, with marine biology and oceanography becoming foundational subjects. We'd learn about our neighbors, the marine life, just as much as we'd learn about ourselves. Governance would likely be fluid, adapting to unique challenges and opportunities presented by the deep blue. Daily life would be a dance with the currents, with each day offering a new discovery, a new understanding of our place in the oceanic cosmos. An underwater society would undoubtedly be different, yet it holds the promise of a unique cultural richness. Living underwater presents both exciting possibilities and daunting challenges. The pressure and temperature of the deep sea are not naturally conducive to human life. We would need to adapt or create technology to handle these conditions. Yet the benefits could be substantial. The ocean's vastness offers abundant space and resources that could potentially alleviate some of our surface world's population and resource strains. But remember, this scenario is purely hypothetical, a thought experiment designed to stretch the boundaries of our imagination. It's a way to explore the limits of human adaptability, the potential of our technological prowess, and the implications of such a drastic shift in our living environment. Whether or not we ever colonize the ocean's depths, exploring these possibilities expands our understanding of human adaptability and innovation. So, what do you think life under the sea would look like?